Breast engorgement happens when your breasts become very full, tight, and sometimes painful. This is common in the first weeks after birth. A manual breast pump can gently relieve pressure and prevent complications like blocked ducts. First, wash your hands and prepare a clean container for milk collection. Apply a warm compress to your breast for a few minutes. This helps improve milk flow. Position the breast shield correctly over your nipple. Begin pumping slowly and gently. You do not need to pump until the breast is completely empty. The goal is comfort. If your breast feels softer and less painful, you can stop. Overpumping during engorgement may signal your body to produce even more milk. You can repeat this process every few hours if needed. After pumping, you may apply a cool compress to reduce swelling. If you notice redness, fever, or severe pain, consult a healthcare professional. Using a manual pump wisely